The legendary Spotify Camp Nou, a true icon of world football, is stepping into a new era. Today, we're seeing this historic arena transform like never before. The new VIP lounges at Spotify Camp Nou are almost ready. Premium seats, extra-wide armrests, cup holders, integrated device docks, and views that are genuinely hard to argue with. Reports in Spain suggest FC Barcelona have already exceeded the original €960 million construction agreement with Limac, with projections placing the final cost €200 to €300 million higher. The stadium reopened behind schedule and at reduced capacity, while major components, including the roof, third tier, and VIP sections, remain unfinished, supported by a €1.5 billion financing package arranged through Goldman Sachs. There's no doubt the end result will be spectacular. A perfect blend of history and modern luxury. The real question is, what is the true cost of building the future? Let's take a closer look. From this elevated angle at Camp Nou, the front facade immediately draws attention. Two sectors are now fully covered with slat panels, significantly transforming the exterior. False ceiling elements are installed on the lower left, while a few rear lower panels are still being positioned by crane. Workers are sealing joints with white finishing material, and cabling is partially routed. The facade is moving into its final detailing stage. The elevator cores are nearly fully clad. Sandwich panels extend almost to the top, with just one or two sections remaining near a corner bracket. From above, the near completion is clear. What remains are small side coverings and final alignment adjustments to properly finish the structure. At the south goal, progress remains strong. A previously missing structural support has now been installed. Two diagonal beams are still pending in the lower section, with crane and lift platform ready. Exposed steel beams are also receiving anti-corrosion coating, essential for long-term durability. Along the lateral side, sandwich panels have reached bracket level on the left, while upper sections still await installation. Lower areas remain covered with concrete panels. Chiseling work continues inside the scaffolding as surfaces are prepared. Two new scaffold structures have been placed between radial beams to support flange areas toward both goal ends. Near the visitors section, the corner is entering a finishing phase. Blue waterproofing tarps are being installed, and the dugout area is being prepared for fresh concrete after recent jackhammer work. Two new pillars have been delivered with foundations already in place. Diagonal beam supports for slat anchors are ready, making panel installation the likely next step. The north goal is calmer but progressing steadily. A truck delivered rock wool insulation and 5 compression ring components for structural assembly. Block walls are now fully painted, a completed milestone. Sandwich panel installation hasn't started yet, and cranes remain idle, possibly due to wind. In the corner area, a 4th level of structural tubes has been added. New black tubes have also appeared, possibly linked to future lighting integration. In the Tribune Diamond section, 2 glass panels have been installed. Equipment near Café Diamond 2 suggests this corner may soon be fully enclosed. This week at Spotify Camp Nou, progress is visible across most zones. The facade is nearing completion. Elevator shafts are almost fully clad, and structural work continues in both goal areas. Waterproofing and surface preparation indicate finishing phases are beginning, while Tribune Diamond glazing advances corner by corner. If you're enjoying this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest progress at Spotify Camp Nou.